Alright, so I have another product review for you guys today. Today I have a scope, or it's not a scope, it's a red dot sight. It is made by NC Star. This model is DTB 130-3. This is a $30 red dot scope. It's not the normal kind of red dot sight like the ones that you would see in Call of Duty, I guess. It's a tube red dot sight. This has 7 brightness settings. I've had this for about 3 years now. This flip broke off. That's the only problem that I've had with this. I've had a few different things in here, so I have to sort through here for a second. This does come with 2 batteries. Comes with these type of batteries, and a cleaning cloth. And I'm not sure. I think it comes with this Allen key. I'm not sure if this is the one that it comes with or a different one. It's in here. I'm not sure if it's the right one though. Anyways, getting on to the actual red dot sight. Like I said, this is a $30 sight. I can't remember what site that I ordered off of. I think it might have been ncstar-sales.com. They have like every NC Star product that's made, so I recommend checking out their site. Anyways, like I said, it has 7 different brightness settings. I had it turned on for a second. The battery compartment it's kind of hard to do, like if your hands are cold, because the cap is on top of the adjustment or brightness adjustment, so you have to like hold down that and then try to turn the cap. It is kind of hard sometimes. There we go. And that's where your battery goes. The battery lasts pretty long. I accidentally left it on overnight, and the next day when I checked it out on my rifle, it was still on, and it was like a brand new battery brightness kind of setting. Comes with, I have the dovetail rings for it. There is another option to get Weaver. Dovetail is for like rimfire rifles, which would be 22 or small hunting caliber, and then Weaver sights are for tactical rifles and whatnot. I didn't know that at the time. I just got lucky and I clicked on the dovetail, which is the one that I needed for my 22. It does come with a cleaning cloth. I'm not sure if I said that or not. I'm going to attempt to show you the brightness settings. I'm not sure if it'll pick up on the camera. Let me make sure this is, yeah, that's there. So I'm really not sure if it's going to pick it up, but that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And that's back to 0, which is off. The windage and elevation you have to unscrew these caps here. I don't like that. I wish it was more like you could just twist this and that would do it, but you have to twist the cap off and then you get to your adjustments. I just find it kind of annoying because then you could lose the cap. It's not going to really hurt it unless you got dirt in it, but it's whatever. And it doesn't matter which ones you put on or which cap goes where. It's the same thread for both, so. So I guess there's really not much else to talk. I guess I'll show you If you give me a second, I will put it on my rifle. Need that Allen key. And it's not the right Allen key at all. It's way too big. Let's see, is this it? This is it. This is the actual Allen key that it comes with. A really small black one. Wrong way. Just for the sake of time, I'm only going to put one on. I'm just going to throw that one back in the box. Grab my 22 here. This is a Marlin 795, great 22. And this holds the rifle very firmly. There's like no recoil or shock at all when you shoot a gun with the scope or red dot. I call it a scope because it looks like a scope. Flip that so it's upright. But actually, one thing I do want to talk about real quick. The scope ring, at least this one, the other one's fine. Like the thread on the screw got stripped on the inside, so I have to get a new ring. Like, it's threads in there, but when you put, I'm not sure what you would call this piece, but when you put this piece, you can't, this screw is too short to get through this and into here. Like, it doesn't screw in very well. Like, it's barely in right now. So, I don't know how it got stripped. I guess just from taking it in and out so many times. But that's one thing to be careful of. Now I'll go ahead and actually screw this on here. See if I can get this one to stay this time. Nope. It's not gonna... Well, it doesn't want to stick in place. The other one will just take too long. Okay, it's going to sit right there for just a second. And never mind, no it's not. Okay, give me one more second and I'll just use the other ring. The rings do come with the red dot sight. I don't know why I just screwed that in. I have to put the scope in there. I felt like there was something missing. The actual sight. Make sure it's on there straight. I'm not going to put the second screw in just to save time since this is already taken forever. That's the attached scope on a rifle. Obviously there'd be a second ring, but I'm not putting that on. But yeah, I love the scope. It's great for hunting rifles or tactical rifles, like I said. It's just a really neat scope. I actually like it better than some of the other red dots that are just like the one lens small sight, not the actual tubular sight. I just said tubular. Sorry. But yeah, $30 scope. Really nice. Also, this gun's only $100, and it's a great plinking rifle, so I'll look into that. I do have a review on this as well, how to take it down and field strip it and whatnot. But yeah, I definitely recommend this sight. You might want to find different rings for it, but other than that, it's a great sight. So, that's it. This video's been going on long enough. Rate, comment, and subscribe.